What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today we will take a look on TONCOIN because right now we are forming here pretty interesting trading setup that I want you to know about. So if you are interested about the exact potential entry that you can take here, and also if you are interested about the exact stop loss and take profit targets, then definitely watch this video till the end. Before this video continues, I just want to let you know that this YouTube channel is directly connected with my Discord trading group, where I am sharing everyday analysis on the altcoins that I'm currently watching. So if you are interested in that, you can check it out, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. If you saw my last analysis on this coin, you know that I informed you about this bullish order block, which is between levels 4.80 and 4.59. In the last analysis, I said that if there will be a liquidity grab under and then a support confirmation, this will be really amazing opportunity for a long trade, but unfortunately we only tested this area. But still, I got a few messages on my Discord that you, let's say, managed to get into this long trade in this bullish order block. So yeah, congratulations to everybody who took this move, because let's say somewhere around from like here to here, it was a pump around like 51% in a few days. So yeah, again, congratulations to everybody who took this move. If you manage to get into some long positions, let's say somewhere in these areas, then you definitely want to take some of the profits under these bearish order blocks, which are between levels 7.65 and 7.53, and then between levels 8.15 and 8.90, because yeah, these are two really interesting resistance areas. So yeah, if you want to get out, I would recommend to do it, let's say, under this first bearish order block to take at least some of the profit, and then rest of the profits you can, for example, take above the second one, because yeah, if we are gonna test this area, there is, in my opinion, pretty high probability that this can be like a liquidity grab, and then the market can reverse back down. If we take a look on the longer time frame, you can see that here we are in the heavy bullish uptrend. So me personally, I think it's only a matter of time until we will break the new all-time high and we will go on the higher levels. And that brings me to our first potential long trade, because right now, as I said, we are under two important resistances, but if we are gonna break them and there will be a support confirmation, then this can be, in my opinion, first really good opportunity to open here a long trade. So the entry will be above the second bearish order block. Stop loss in this case you need to place either, let's say, under this second bearish order block, which will be really safe stop loss, or you can place it under the first one, which will give you, let's say, stop loss around like 4%, which is actually not that high, but on the other hand, there is higher risk of getting liquidated. And the last take profit target, well, this is definitely up to you, because once we will do here a support confirmation, there is, in my opinion, really high probability that we will break the current all-time high, and once we will break the current all-time high, we will get into a price discovery phase, which means that historically we don't have here any important support or resistances. So for the price, it shouldn't be that big of a deal to do a bigger moves. Usually in a trades like this, I am speculating for a risk reward ratio around 10. So if you will choose let's say the more risky stop loss, your last take profit target you can place on the level approximately like 11.52, something like that, which will give you risk reward ratio like 10. So even if you will take multiple take profit targets, which I highly recommend in this case, because we don't have here any important support or resistances, so the price can stop practically anywhere. So yeah, once you will take some of the profits, you can, for example, move your stop loss to entry or to a break even, so you can turn your profitable position into a loss. And if we are gonna take a look on the other potential stop loss, then you can place your last take profit target, let's say somewhere around like here, let's say on the 15, something like that, which I also think there is pretty high probability that in the upcoming bull market we are gonna hit this area. And the strategy is remaining the same. You need to take multiple take profit targets. Once you are taking some of the profit, with your stop loss to entry or to a break even, so you can turn your profitable position into a loss, but you will, let's say, manage these positions really similar. And if you, for example, want to help with trading, so you want to copy my exact trades, definitely don't forget to join my Discord trading group, because I'm sharing their analysis on the altcoins that I'm currently watching every single day, and link to join is in the description or in comments. And if we take a look on a different chart in which we have, let's say, bigger history of this coin, you can also see in the long time perspective we are in the heavy bullish uptrend, and right now for the past couple of months this coin is pumping absolutely like crazy. So in my opinion, it's only a matter of time until we will break a new all-time high and we will go on the higher levels. Another potential entry will be also valid in case of a retest of this bullish order block on a daily time frame, which is between levels 5.45 and 5.25, something like that. So if we are gonna retest this area and there will be a support confirmation, this can also be another really good entry. Stop loss in this case you need to place just under this bullish order block, because placing it like under this previous low, well, the risk reward ratio is then not gonna be that great. And your lasting profit target you can again place on the level with risk reward ratio like 10, or you can place it, for example, under the current all-time high, which will give you risk reward ratio 10.49. And in a trade like this, I would take some of the profits definitely like under this previous level, then under this previous important support, because here you can see it was like important support, here as well, then for example under these previous highs, and then you can save some back to the last take profit target. So these are the main take profit targets that I would use for a trade like this. But yeah guys, this will be all from me for today. As I said, if you want to know about all the altcoins that I'm currently watching as soon as possible, I highly recommend you to join my Discord trading group. A link to join is in the description or in the comments. And also I will be really happy if you consider subscribing this channel, because we are a few subscribers away from a free K. But yeah, this will be all from me for today, and I will see you in the next video. See ya.